Another episode of meal prep. Let's go. Let me weigh it out. 1002. Same as other season. Standard curry. Bang. Aromat, garlic. Come on, man. You guys should know the drill already. Today I'm gonna add some hot sauce. I need a bit a little bit. Oi! That will be fine. Add some soy sauce. Add some ginger in there. We good. We Gucci. Now you mixed it up. You see, you gotta add some of these chilies. If you don't have them in there, I don't know why I rinsed my hand, but I'm gonna use a spoon this time. Can't be bothered. You see that? And add some of this vinegar. Rice wine vinegar, bro. Trust me. This is gonna be going in the oven. I don't have an air fryer, so add some more of this. Today we eating rice. Rice. I got this giant bag of basmati rice. I'll start measuring this up. How much rice are we using? And now I'm gonna preheat the oven for the chicken. Invest in the rice cooker. We got that. We got the rice, 480 grams of rice. Before that, let me put the chicken in the oven right here. I'm gonna rinse it, wash out the starch and all that stuff. Now, pour the rice in the rice cooker. Add 2.5 cups of water. Add some salt. I like salt in my rice anyway, so that'll be fine. Put it to cook and let it do its thing. The rice is cooking. Got some mixed veg as well, so we're gonna be serving that up with the rice and the chicken, so it's not a bit too plain. 300 grams of mixed veg. Nice. So we got this pot, we're gonna put it in there and then drain it when we're done. And whilst that's cooking, or melting, defrosting, almost done. This vegetable is done. All we're waiting for now is chicken and rice. Rice is almost done as well. Rice ready, vegetable ready, chicken ready. Time to dish it up. Let's sort this out. This way. Clean this up. Let's grab some of that sauce, man. Look at that oil. That's real. Now it's time for the rice. 100 grams each. Bro, I love rice. A little bit of veg in each one. This is how we got to here. Hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, follow, all of that stuff if you watch it to the end. See you guys later. Love. Hey guys, I really appreciate you watching that video. Hope you enjoyed it. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Love.